Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna be reacting to
YOUNITE performing Waterfall on the Road to Kingdom Ace. Let's see, last performance of the day.
Team Unite.
You know, I wonder if guys, are there performances, like, is there like a theme that they have to do, like movie theme, for example? Are they trying to reenact certain movies? And because I wonder what these performances are kind of inspired of, because I don't think they're random, right? I feel like there has to be some inspiration. If you guys could give us a little clarity of what's the inspiration behind these performances. Because it would be interesting to know, like, oh, okay, 1 week is like a movie night, so they're trying to... Because the first performance that we watched, Ace Turn, kind of gave me Indiana Jones a little bit. So I'm like, are we trying to do movies? You know,
the other one?
I don't know. I don't know what, but that one gave me Indiana Jones. So I'm like, is this like, are we trying to reenact a movie in the dance moves, or you know, it would be interesting to see if there's like some sort of reasoning behind it.
What do you think this one is?
I don't know, drowning. The drowning.
This one made me laugh. That's good acting.
아직은 갈등 말든 망설이지만 그런 그 이성은 무엇이었을까 매일매일 난 상상해봐 어쩌면 보라를 일으키는 너
You know, for some reason in my heart, this is like the Korean version of Don't Go Chase the Waterfalls. I feel like they're singing this.
Maybe.
Welcome to the United Kingdom.
This is entertaining.
That was a nice little switch of okay.
I think I've been liking Unite in this competition. They've been doing pretty good, I think.
I feel like all the groups are doing pretty good. Like, interesting performance. There was my issue with these groups. Like, some groups sometimes don't sing live. That's the biggest issue. As far as performances, I feel all the groups can perform. It's interesting, yeah. Like this group too, I can't tell if they're singing live or not. I honestly have no idea. Like, there's no clues for me to... I'm really like on the fence. Maybe they are, because he kind of adjusted the mic a little bit, it seemed like. Because, you know, if you're not singing live, why would you adjust the mic? Yeah.
The strings could have been like implemented a little bit better. weird because I couldn't tell what was going on with them.
Yeah, I didn't understand it either. Yeah, I think they're live. It seems like I hear the breathing as they're singing.
They don't have the best camera work because when they did the dip, the camera moved on to the next shot. So it's quite busy a little bit.
No, it's live. That part. This definitely was live. Yeah, that was live. So, what's your score?
9.75.
Wow, really?
I think they were the best of the evening.
Wow, for me it's my least favorite performance.
Really? I
Yes.
only take points off because I feel like they didn't get the best camera work.
Wow.
But they kept me really engaged because I was really looking at their performance.
For me,
I
once
really
again
liked
though, I feel like tonight's performances, everybody did well in terms of
Yeah,
performing.
yeah.
It's really just matter of preference.
Yeah. I
Like-
feel bad when we watch the other show and they can't sing.
Yeah, no.
Why can't they sing?
I feel like everybody did well. I don't feel like everybody's 9 up and above for
yeah,
me.
definitely, for sure.
It's everybody
for
did
sure.
well. It's just certain performances
Yeah.
were more my style, my preference. So just because I don't prefer it doesn't mean that it's bad performance. So I honestly, to sum it up, kind of the whole night, I feel like everybody did great.
I wonder how they decide who's going to be the winner of this show.
I think last week Gravity won, if I'm not mistaken.
Oh, I wonder based on what.
I don't know. But the new six,
Yeah.
question mark if they sang live for me.
Oh.
If they did sing live, that's my favorite performance of the night. If they didn't sing live, then I would probably go with what was the last one we did? Gravity, right?
Gravity.
Yeah, Gravity would be my favorite of the night. This would be my least favorite, but of course, if New Six didn't sing live, then New Six would be my least favorite. But yeah.
Yeah. Guys, of course, let us know your thoughts. If you could like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Discord. Stories. Share as much kindness as possible.